Time now for this hour's car review, or truck review in this case. I had a chance to drive the 2024 Ford Maverick, and it comes in these available trim levels: the XL, the XLT, and the Lariat. I had the XLT front-wheel drive. This is considered by your government as a small pickup truck. I would agree with that. Seats, including the driver, 5. Exterior changes from last model year. It was all new for 2022. Exterior features, well, following an F-150's footsteps and Ranger front fascia, it's a very attractive looking truck. Lots of black plastic trim, but it works on this. Attractive aluminum wheels in our particular XLT that we had. It does have a no-assist tailgate, and I have to admit that I have gotten spoiled when it comes to tailgates. So, you hit the little latch and it just kind of eases down. Nay, not on this one. Those are steel cables back there, and it goes wham! It opens up on you pretty quick. So I just thought I'd mention that. What I liked about this truck, its simplicity. It's not overcomplicated. It's not loaded down with all sorts of stuff. You can get it that way, but this particular one seemed to hit my sweet spot. What could use improvement? A loaded up trim package above the Lariat. Now, I may be totally off base, but I think that if you had a loaded up trim package above the Lariat, which is their top of the line being offered today, I think that they would probably sell a bunch of them, because this is a really nice vehicle. Interior highlights: separate gauge pod and a small infotainment screen, because you're sitting right there. You don't need some big thing. Dial shifter on the center console. Ooh. I liked it. AC controls on the bottom of the center stack. Comfortable and attractive cloth seating. Yes, ding, ding, ding in Texas heat. Some controls on the steering wheel, but it's not overly loaded, as you can see in this picture here if you're looking. The one bed is the only bed available. It's 4.5 feet long, so it's small, but it works. What I liked about it, the light-duty nature, which is great for do-it-yourselfers or the pest guy, the pest control guy, or the pool guy, and it's priced right too, and I'll get to that in just a second. I already said bug man and pool man. Mm-hmm. That's the first thing. Because those old, tired Ford Rangers from the 1990s, it's time for them to be retired. So as far as the engine and powertrain, this is a 2.5-liter hybrid 4-cylinder engine that, get this, 191 horsepower.
Wow.
And 155 pound-feet of torque. And a little truck like that's plenty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spunk.
CVT transmission. Tow rating, it'll tow up to 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. Haul, 1,500 pounds. That's significant for this size truck. Here's where the sweet spot really lies with this thing. 42 miles per gallon in the city.
That's the hybrid.
33 on the highway for a combined of 37. I got 36.8 miles per gallon over 375.6 miles. Wow. What I liked about it, plenty of smooth power. Don't touch anything when it comes to that powertrain. My nose itches. Ride and handling is car-like. It really is a nice change because, the full-size pickup trucks, and especially when you get into the heavy-duty 3/4 ton and above, they can be rough.
Yes.
Now, I'll say this, when you get them on the highway, especially the half-ton, they're fairly smooth, but they're still a truck. And unless you put a load in the bed or you're towing something, towing makes the thing feel weird because you've got that thing back there that you're towing along. Because of the light
weight of the vehicle, yeah.
Right. And if you're hauling something, it kind of squats down. But these trucks are purpose-built. This is a light-duty truck for the everyday guy. As far as something that I think that they should consider offer an off-road trimmer version. They say it's available, but I haven't seen it yet. Anyway, base trim price, $26,315. Our price is tested was $34,115. Now, and it was fairly loaded out. The base model price, it starts at $23,815.
That's not bad.
Competitors, Hyundai Santa Cruz, $26,900. Honda Ridgeline, $39,700. Or how about this? A Chevy El Camino with a small block V8 from 1965, restored, runs anywhere from $27,000 to $126,000. I just thought I'd throw that in there. And that's my review of the 2024 Ford Maverick.
Yeah,
I liked it.
It fits a nice spot in there. Because,
it does.
like say, 1,500 pounds. You can put a little trailer back there, go to the lumberyard, haul your golf cart, whatever.
That's it.
Yeah.
Hey, if you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address is info@inwheeltime.com.